Hi guys, Tony Pryor here from Star Vision Campers and Caravans. Galaxy PX2 here today. We're going to show you how to unhitch and get ready to set up for your wonderful camping experience. First of all, we start with our dual jockey wheel. These are an extremely heavy duty jockey wheel and will take a lot of punishment and a lot of weight. Right, I get it just to hit the ground there, pulling the R clip out of here and the pin. And to simply undo the hitch, it's a matter of pushing that lever back and unwinding. Simply we undo our D shackles, which are rated at 1.5 tonne each. We pull our Anderson wiring out, which charges our batteries. And then our 7-pin flat, which is standard equipment on all our trailers, we pull that out as well. We undo the D shackle, it holds the breakaway unit. This is our breakaway unit in here. If the trailer ever detaches from the vehicle, it pulls this pin, activates the power to the electric brakes, so your camper will pull up safely. Then we simply wind the jockey wheel down. You'll notice that starts to give way here onto there. And the beauty about these McHitches, you simply go like that, because they are fully adjustable, 360 all ways. Once we've unhitched, completely unhook there, drive the vehicle away. When you pull up to site, just make sure your camper is parallel to the ground and use the jockey wheel either up or down. Now that we've unhitched, we've worked out our ground height. Now it's time to put the 4 stabiliser legs down. We simply pull this lever out here, put the hand under there, let it drop down, and then we just wind down until we know it's firm onto the ground without putting too much pressure on it. Once again, pull the bar out, put the hand under, let it go at right angles to the ground, and simply wind down. And then simply repeat for the same process for the other 2 on the other side. Now that we have the camper trailer stabilised, we're going to show you how to open the electric roof by simply undoing the 4 over centre catches and then pushing a button to lift that roof. Okay, before you use that electric roof, make sure all those catches are totally released as well. Simply a matter then of opening the door, use the catch and lock it into place. Once we're inside, we simply turn the red isolator switch on. It's a matter of pushing this button here and up she goes. As you can see, no manual labour, nice and easy. And to get into our camper trailer, simply grab the step, pull it out, spring loaded. Then we have another half step that we supply, simply goes down there. Easy access. So that is our basic unhitching and setting up with the stabiliser legs, lifting the roof and getting our step ready to go to the next stage.